Good morning, everyone. What we're going to go over today is writing to various elements on the stack and overwriting with 2 byte instead of 1 byte as we covered in the last video. So let's get right into it. Let's jump into our terminal where we all live. So today we're going to be going over the same program we did last time. This time we're going to be writing 2 bytes and it's a lot simpler. You don't have to use so much padding or anything. It's really fun. So let's just jump right into our working files. And let's fire up our write and let's put in a input. And let's have a look, because this is a format string vulnerability lecture. Let's have a look at what we can see. And let's bring this back over here. And as you can see, it's being reflected back to us at the 4th parameter here. So if you just want to look at that parameter itself, this is how you do that. You present number 4 for the 4th parameter and slash $x. And as you can see, only the 4th parameter will be shown. So that's something we need in our exploit coming up. So that's a good parameter analysis tool to know about. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use a print statement. Excuse me. We're going to use a print statement here. And what we're going to do, we're going to overwrite the address of A, the value of A in hex. We're going to make it AABBCCDD just for fun. So we're going to be doing a short write with this one. So it's 2 bytes at a time. So much simpler than a single byte. You don't have to do padding or anything. So first off, we'd start with the address 2 bytes above it. So as you can see right here, our address is 2C. So it would be C, E, and then F. So we'll put in 2F, and the rest of the address is going to be the exact same. 04 and 08. And now we put in the address that's up on our screen now. So 2C, A0, 04, whoops, and 08. So let's put those into our stack program and let's have a look and see where they pop up. Let's have a look at 6 places on our stack. And as you can see, 8042F and 804A02C is right here, and they're at the 1, 2, 3, 4th, and 5th parameters. So let's have a look at the 4th and 5th parameters just by themselves. And let's do the same for the 5th parameter. As you can see, and here's our 2 addresses right here. And actually, I need to change one thing right away. This should be an E and not an F. just learned to spell this morning. I'm still having coffee, so cut me some slack. So here's the E and C. So those are 2 bytes apart from each other. So what I want to do now, I want to overwrite these with my own gibberish. And of course, I'll post a video most likely tomorrow on how you can do this very maliciously and get a shellcode and stuff. But this is just an instructional video of how to. So what I'll do off the get-go here is open my GDB. And you can use a calculator. You can use anything you want. I like GDB. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to print 0xAABB -8. And it's -8 for the 2 word we already have in the stack. So 43699. This should give us our A and our B value. if we input it. So let's put that right here. Now this is going to the fourth parameter. So let's do fourth parameter, and then we want $HN for writing 2 bytes. Oops, sorry, forgot the X. Here we go. Let's try that. And as you can see, AA and BB is written to the stack here. Okay, so fun. So let's have a look at our next value we want to put in. Let's do, so now we're going to put in CCDD, for example. We'll subtract what's already on the stack, and 8738. So come back to our terminal. Percentage 8378. Let me double check that because my memory is not that great today. 8738. Okay, so 87C 38. And then we're going to put an X, which I forgot last time. And percentage, we're going with the 5th parameter this time. And then we want to write long bytes. And as you can see, we got one little issue there. And all I got to do is come back here and let's drop it down. The 7 right here. And as you can see, AABBCCDD is now written to that address. So what we can do, we can overwrite the global offset tables, and that's what I'm going to get into with my next video. But I hope you enjoyed this one. This one's just a short demo of how to write over values in format string vulnerabilities. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.